Ever wonder how they make that gorgeous, realistic snow on their projects? Let me show you how with things you already have in your house. Let's get started. Items needed. Mod Podge. I like to use the hard coat. Any type of bath salt. Epson salt. Paper, plastic, bowl for it to drip in as you're pouring it onto projects. And you might want to use, I do, you might want to use some glitter. I like the glitter powder. This is by Prisma, and it is in neon white. This is what you'll be making. This is what your homemade snow will look like. I hope that you can see that. It's absolutely beautiful. And it's a lot better than the plastic that they use. It's pre-bagged from the stores. I just like doing things at home if I can. What I'm going to use it on is one of my Christmas ornaments, the shell ornaments. I'll have a video on that coming up very soon. I want to put it right there on the edge. What you'll do is you'll grab a little bit of the Mod Podge and just put some right there on the edge or wherever you're putting, whatever type of project you're putting it on. Don't want it too thick because then it's going to drip all over. That's going to be a mess. Get your Epsom salt. And just let it fall. Tap off the excess. And what I'm going to do is add, put this down very carefully, and I'm going to add a little bit of that glitter just to give it that glistening snow look a little more. Just tap some on. I love glitter powder. It's so beautiful. It just makes everything look so Christmassy. Okay. I'm going to let that dry flat. Look how beautiful that is. Yay! Make it at home. You don't have to buy it. Craft supplies are just so expensive right now. I'm sure you already have some type of Mod Podge. Make sure it's a pretty thick one. You don't want anything real runny and watery. And I'll show you what this looks like when it's dry. And there is your finished snow. Homemade. Didn't it come out beautiful? You can put this on all of your projects. If you got something out of this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. Look forward to seeing you again.